It's a new week, oh, it's a new week, oh, and I wish us all the success, yo, success of the month. Yes, so guys, happy new week, guys. I'm already seeing people asking MS if he isn't dropping another movie for us today. I saw this comment on one of his YouTube posts. We have really gotten addicted to our faves weekly movies. This is a new week, and I probably think he wants us to watch some of his hit bangers because he dropped over 4 hits in a month. For Richer for Poorer, Lessons in Love, Just Before Words, Rock, Paper, Scissors, and Two Can Play. That is massive, guys. Nobody can say that his movies no sweet. They are all evergreen movies, so we can go and watch it. For those of us who are probably less busy and just want to get entertained again and again, definitely no new movies today. Because if he had intentions of dropping, he would have definitely shared movie posters and photos since morning. So, guys, go and rewatch, share as usual. Thanks for watching this beautiful video, guys. Love ya much. Take care, guys. Mwah.